Welcome to our laundry showdown. Today we're diving into the world of compact appliances with a comparison between the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the BLACK+DECKER Compact Clothes Dryer. Both of these machines are designed for small spaces, making them perfect for apartments, dorms, or RVs. We'll look at their capacities, features, and user experiences to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine offers 0.9 cubic feet, which is suitable for smaller loads. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER Compact Clothes Dryer has a larger capacity of 1.5 cubic feet, allowing it to handle up to 5.5 pounds of clothing. This difference can be crucial for users who frequently do laundry for multiple people or larger items. Functionality is another key area of comparison. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine is a fully automatic washer with 5 wash cycles, allowing users to choose the best setting for their laundry needs. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER Compact Clothes Dryer offers 4 drying programs, including high temperature and sensor dry, to ensure your clothes come out perfectly dry. Each machine serves its purpose well, but they cater to different laundry tasks. Both appliances are designed with portability in mind. The Comfee washing machine features built-in rollers for easy movement, making it ideal for small spaces. Meanwhile, the BLACK+DECKER dryer is also compact and can be easily set up in various locations, although it requires a venting option. Their designs cater to users looking for convenience without sacrificing functionality. In conclusion, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is perfect for those who need a compact washing solution, while the BLACK+DECKER Compact Clothes Dryer is ideal for efficiently drying clothes in small spaces. Consider your specific laundry needs and space constraints when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.